Between the years 2020 to 2024, the number of rabies cases in India increased by 70%. You might be wondering, why is this happening? And is there any way we can treat rabies? Before discussing about that, let me tell you what exactly is rabies. Rabies is a deadly viral disease which is transmitted by the saliva of animals. The most common animals causing rabies in India are stray dogs, cats, mice, and monkeys. Symptoms of rabies can take a few days to a few months, and in some cases, several decades for the symptoms to appear. Common symptoms of rabies are fever, headache, difficulty in drinking water. Now let's come to the question, can we treat rabies after symptoms have appeared? The answer to the question is no. It is impossible to save a person's life after symptoms have appeared. The person will definitely succumb to the disease. So the only way to treat rabies is to prevent the disease from appearing. And the most common way to prevent the disease from appearing is by taking vaccination. Number 1. Pre-exposure prophylaxis. It is a form of vaccination taken by people who live in high-risk areas. Number 2. Post-exposure prophylaxis. It is taken by people who have been exposed to the infected animal. Now you might be asking me a question. What exactly is exposure in the case of rabies? Well, the exposure is categorized into 3 different categories as given in the table above. From getting touched by a dog to getting bitten by a dog, every sort of exposure carries a risk of rabies. So it's better to get vaccinated in any form of these exposure which you have experienced.